Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm doing a video about my website. My new is my Stop Snoring Biz .com. I'll put the link in the description if you need that. But the thing is, I got a lot of products. Not a lot, but I got some products on the homepage that you can try to quit snoring, or a loved one, because I know a lot of wives slash husbands are really upset, to be because of the partner snoring. Trying to do my best to help. if if you was to buy one of those products, because I get a commission as a affiliate, so that would help me out as well. That would greatly help me out. But it's okay, guys. I mean, if you don't want to give it a try, that's up to you. You know, I'm just giving you an opportunity to help improve your life, and or like a wife's life or husband's life or whatever. It doesn't matter who it is, or what the relationship is. It just only thing that matters is that we help. Well, I help everyone stop smoking, or sorry, stop snoring, and actually smoking be my next thing I'm gonna get into. Point is, um, I just want to help you guys out, and help uh rebuild the love, and fix the relationship and all that. Guys, the Bristol Wood design out, or just so you guys know, I'm gonna try to um change my username pretty soon to Billy Pistol. So I just wanted you guys know. I mean, you can tell by my videos, but that's gonna be me. So so you know. I'm also gonna give a link to my web design website too. So if you need a website or know somebody who does, let me know. Okay, or of course, you can comment it in a YouTube thing. I'll give you my Facebook and my Twitter and my Instagram. So if you guys need to talk to me on private, actually, I might as well go ahead and give it to y'all now. Well, not now, but later. Anyways, that way you guys can privately message me. So you don't have to give out your phone number live on the YouTube comment form or anything like that. Okay, don't uh, let me pay. Sorry. 100 per month, and that goes real quick. You guys never did. Mm-hmm. I told you, no, I don't have any money.